I'm a strong believer of measuring is knowing. Connected Sheets makes data accessible to users because everybody knows how to do a sheet. If we look at our own adoption dashboarding, it's more than 3 terabytes of data. Good luck putting that in any spreadsheet. With Connected Sheets, we're not really pulling the data into the sheet, but rather it lives in the database where it belongs. The ability to so easy go and visualize and analyze the big data is really powerful.
G Suite really contributes to putting tools in the hands of people that would never think, oh, I'm a tech person. We're doing a lot of digital upskilling. It's a new world. A new world requires new skills, and they just made it much easier in the tools they're using every day to take these tools and do such imaginative things that improve the workday. You have assurance people who say, wow, I can do what with Connected Sheets? We are transforming. No longer is it, oh, only tech people can do that. Anybody in the business can have a great idea and bring it to life.